Recently, Anil Kapoor and Sonam Kapoor, they're launching this song today. You've been part of, I think, very extremely successful, I think one of the most successful songs ever, Dheere Dheere, recently with Sonam. Why have you chosen? Somewhere because I think Sonam and Anil Kapoor, they share that relationship as well.
Yeah, the thing is actually this just came into my mind when we were planning for this press conference. Okay, we have to launch this song, but I thought okay, some connect should be there, for the media also, and some connect, real connect. So this is a very real connect because Anil Kapoor was very close to my father. He had shared a lot of time with my father that time, and even Sonam was in school with them, in same school, Arya Vidya Mandir. So she also has a connect with both of them. So and they both have superb connect.
Absolutely,
Between father-daughter. So this was going very well with our concept, and also I know both of them, so I requested them and they immediately said yes to it. Right. So it came from there.
Right. I think lyrics, I keep on going back to it again and again that जैसे आपने कहा मैं चांद का हूँ मुझे चांद मिले कैसे कैसे जादू करे एक शिकन चेहरे पे सह ना पाते हो मेरे लिए किस्मत से भी लड़ जाते हो. Would you like to sing it a few lines for us?
एक शिकन चेहरे पर सह ना पाते हो मेरे लिए किस्मत से भी लड़ जाते हो होने न दिए कभी मुझको गिले मैं चांद कहूँ मुझे चांद मिले कैसे कैसे जादू करे मेरे पापा मेरे पापा.
Fabulous, fabulous. Recently I was reading somewhere and it was said that the idea was to celebrate your father while you were just making this song. I think you have said somewhere in one of the interviews that the idea that we should celebrate it.
Celebrate his musical journey in the past years, and what better than celebrating it with a song for him.
एंड ही ऑलवेज़ लव्ड म्यूज़िक. उनको एक ही लैंग्वेज आती थी, वो है म्यूज़िक, और ये उनके लिए एक म्यूज़िकल ट्रिब्यूट है. एंड व्हाट बेटर देन दिस सॉन्ग.
Finally, could you please briefly, any fondest memory that you have of Gulshan Kumar?
I have lots of memories. So, see, I always, whatever he used to always talk to me about music a lot, because he always wanted me, like, in music, mujhe bhi that kind of sense of music ho. So he used to, I have listened many songs with him. I still remember this Ashiki, when Ashiki was going to release, and that time pe kya hota tha, we used to release the music 6 months before. It was not like now it is 1 month before, it was 6 months before. So I still remember I was driving with him in the car and he played me this. I was very, very young, so I used to listen to whatever was running that time in the cassettes. That time no CDs were there, only cassettes were there. So he played me this song, Ashiki song, and he told me one thing which I can never forget. Means this is the music which will play forever. So you should, as a music company, you should tune your ears to this kind of music which always works. So, and that was true. Till today, I keep on listening to those songs. Absolutely. And as a result, we have recreated Dheere Dheere after 22 years.
And biggest, I think.
Yeah, it has become biggest ever actually. Right. It has touched now 126 million, which is unprecedented. Means no Bollywood music or song anywhere in India has touched this kind of numbers.
Any of your fondest memory?
मुझे याद है पापा जब मैं around I was 6 years of age, he had put me into Suresh Wadekar ji's academy. And another very fond memory that I have was when I was in 2nd standard, he bought me a huge piano, and we also have a piano in the video. Yeah, so I think that is his connect was with music, and I'm also connected to music. So I think that it comes from him. So I think that the getting me a piano at the age of 7, I think that that's what he was. He had a huge vision, I would say, and he knew it that he wanted to see me into music. So I think that's how it all started from there.
Your fondest memory.
I remember when Tulsi was actually always very shy और वो सबके सामने कभी नहीं गाती थी और उसको हमेशा हम गुनगुनाते हुए पापा छुप के सुनते थे तो हमेशा पापा और मैं हम दरवाज़ा खोल के पीप करके सुन रहे होते थे जब भी ये रियाज़ करती थी और भी बहुत सारी हैं सो मेनी ऑफ देम ही वाज ऑलवेज जस्ट वेरी लविंग एंड बीन वेरी स्वीट मेरे को याद है हम जब छोटे होते थे वो हमेशा मम्मी को भी कहते थे कि जब हम सो रहे होते थे स्कूल जाने के लिए सुबह कहते थे बच्चों को नींद से मत जगाओ तुम्हें पाप चढ़ेगा सो ही नेवर इवन वांटेड अस टू वेक अस अर्ली और यू नो ब्रेक आवर स्लीप व्हेन वी वर स्लीपिंग सो या ही वाज रियली ऑलवेज वेरी लविंग
Thank you very much for sharing your, I think, personal memories. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.